Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of products to help you make the best choices. In today's video, we're going to talk about what could be the best aluminum flux core welding wire on the market right now. If you're a welder or even just starting your journey, the YESWELDER Flux Core Gasless Mig wire, mild steel E71TGS, is a game changer you need to know about. First off, let's talk about what makes this wire stand out. This flux core welding wire is designed to be used without the need for any external shielding gas, which makes it perfect for outdoor use, especially in windy conditions. So if you're working on a project in less than ideal weather, this wire will still get the job done. It's the ultimate in convenience and portability, especially for those on the go or doing mobile welding. The core of the YESWELDER wire features advanced deoxidizing agents that help ensure clean and reliable welds, even when working with light rust or mill scale. The arc stabilization is exceptional, which results in a smooth, consistent weld, and the wire offers a high feedability for easier welding, making it perfect for both beginners and professionals. One of the biggest advantages of this flux core welding wire is how it performs. It's designed for a low spatter, which is a common issue with welding wires, and it ensures that the welds come out looking clean and professional every time. With full slag formation that's easy to remove, you'll end up with a clean and smooth finish that not only looks good but also provides reliable strength and durability. The porosity-free deposits it leaves behind are another bonus for anyone looking for top-notch welds. You'll also appreciate how versatile this wire is. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, construction, or metal fabrication, it's suitable for a variety of materials, especially carbon steel and low-alloy structural steel. It's perfect for all position welding, including flat, vertical, and overhead positions, which means it's ready for any welding project, big or small. The YESWELDER Flux Core Gasless Mig wire comes on a strong, durable spool made from ABS plastic. This material is tough and anti-fragile, which ensures the spool won't break or become damaged during transportation. It's built to withstand the rough conditions of welding jobs, so you know you're getting something reliable. And let's not forget about the weight and size. At just 2 pounds and with a .030-inch diameter, this wire is the ideal size for standard MIG welders. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and provides the perfect balance of performance and convenience. All of these features come together to make this product a top contender for anyone in need of high-quality, gasless welding wire. Whether you're a seasoned welder or just getting started, the YESWELDER Flux Core Mig wire, mild steel E71TGS, offers everything you need for a smooth and reliable welding experience. Don't forget to check it out for your next project. You'll be glad you did. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews on the products that matter to you. See you next time.